Halfway lift is a transitional yoga pose found in most flowing yoga practices. It strengthens and lengthens your back for improved posture and a healthy spine. This pose will strengthen the muscles in your legs, ankles, and back, while also stretching your hamstrings. To get into this pose, from a forward fold with your feet touching, lift up about halfway and create a flat back by sliding your hands up your shins and drawing your shoulder blades together behind you with your neck in line with your spine. Even the weight out in your feet and keep a gentle bend in your knees. Then create a flat back that begins with the hinge at your hips. This means that if your hamstrings are feeling tight, then your flat back would be at a higher angle. Instead of thinking of the cue flat back, meaning parallel to the floor, I want you to think of this cue flat back like a straight line, as if a plank of wood was tied to your back and you were trying to get your low back, shoulders, and the back of your head to touch the plank. More flexibility means a lower flat back. More tightness would mean a higher flat back. Be mindful that you're not compressing your neck by looking up or around in this pose. You want your spine to be long and straight, even through your neck. So just look down towards the ground and lengthen from your tailbone through the top of your head. Also, be mindful that you're not locking your knees. Gently bend your knees for more control over your balance, the stretch in your hamstrings, and the hinge in your hips. If you're feeling tight and stiff in this pose, then try adding a soft bend to your knees to help loosen up your lower back. You can also raise your halfway lift up higher for a less intense stretch on your hamstrings. Or you can use blocks under your hands if you need more support for your upper body. And if you prefer a wider stance in your standing poses, then you're also welcome to widen your stance in this pose as well. If you're feeling very limber and flexible, you can touch your fingers to the floor instead of placing your hands on your shins. Just be mindful that you keep your shoulders open and a strong flat back. Halfway lift is commonly followed up with a forward fold. You'll see these poses together because halfway lift is the active engaged pose to lengthen your spine. It also establishes hinging from your hips instead of at your lower back. Then forward fold is the passive deep stretch that allows you to let go and soften through your whole back. Practice your halfway lifts at the angle that best serves you, and your posture and overall back strength will improve over time.